So guys, we have project. Project is um, quick 3D project. So it has been refilled. So 2610, 2611, 2615, and 2616. So first we are gonna use Ginger Roof software because it is 3D project. Every time we have 3D project, we use Ginger Roof. Okay, then 2018, agree. And I'm going to copy Sir Nico's. Sir Azam, can you understand me? Sir Nico's ID. Okay. Sir, again, I hope you won't get any bugs again on your software, okay? So make sure you only click Ginger 2018 on your Ginger Roof. Okay, so I'm going to download now. So guys, on um, 3D matching project, this one is a very quick 3D matching project. No need to do multi-layer as long as the main roof matches. Okay, so this one is the main roof. Okay, this one is the roof extension. So make sure to draw well on the left side, then just match it on the right side. So let me give you an example. So this one is separated building. Separated building. So this one is perfectly drawn already. So what should I do is to drag it here. Okay, and drag it here. So why? Because guys, if I cut this part, it will be the roof extension. As you can see, the building is not matched, but the main structure or the highest level part of the building is already matched. So already done here. So next building, guys, look at how simple it is. I drag it upward and okay, drag the side wall precisely. Okay, don't forget the group, guys. Okay, even it's residential, it's okay if you won't group, but I always practice myself that I always group the buildings in 3D matching. Okay, so this one only match one panel. If you can see clearly on the 1 of 4 or the first panel, press F2. So you will have a clearer version of the building. Okay, so submit. You want to submit the task? I said yes. Next. Okay, so the building is just right here. Okay, move it. So okay, so sir, why it is not matched? It's because the building is slant. Okay, so slanting building, so just like that. See, very simple. Submit again. Next. Okay, sir, my target building is very small. So guys, target building is only a marker. Okay, target building is only a marker. So you should draw the whole entire building. Okay, the whole building itself, guys. Okay, then drag, then go. So submit. Very simple. Okay, so first draw the building on the left side. Ignore the right side first. Focus on drawing. Just focus on drawing first. here. Okay. Then here and adjust it here. So I'm very slow right now because I just woke up, guys. Okay, then match, and you're done. Okay, make sure the 3D wall or the base of the wall is correct and precise, and you can submit the project. Very simple. You can do it faster. So this one is very big, but the trick there is only cut this part and delete, then adjust and adjust the wall to its perfect position and submit. Okay, so that's how 3D matching works. Okay.